Have you ever found yourself skimming through a lengthy video to find specific information? YouTube has a native Ask AI feature, but it's not available for everyone. By leveraging tools like Tactiq, you can ask questions about a video and receive immediate responses based on the transcript. To begin, head over to the Tactiq YouTube transcript generator. Here, you'll paste the link to your chosen video and click the download button. This will save the transcript in a text format to your device. Once you have your transcript, the next step is to sign up for a free Tactiq account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard and click on My Meetings. You will find an option that says Upload Recording in the upper right corner. Click it, then select your downloaded transcript file and hit the upload. Once the file is uploaded, you can select it from your meetings list. This is where the magic happens. You can now ask the AI questions about the video content. For example, you might ask, what are the key ideas covered in this video? The AI will then analyze the transcript and provide you with the answers you need in seconds. Additionally, Tactiq offers a Chrome extension that automatically transcribes meetings on platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, making it versatile beyond just YouTube. So whether you're looking to summarize long videos, extract action items, or translate transcripts for accessibility, Tactiq makes it all possible with just a few clicks. Learn more at tactiq.io and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more YouTube and team meeting tips.